Maybe I'll get lucky and see a bear. The crossing. This reminds me of that Cahill's Crossing in Australia, except there's no crocodiles here. Just a slippery ground. Outdoor education site picnic. Peligro, danger. This is gorgeous. Hey, this looks familiar. Nice. I think you could pan for gold out here. Is it illegal? Maybe not. But I think, I can, not that you may, but you can, like, possibly pan for gold, because there might be gold spikes, but it'll be illegal, so don't do it. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Restrooms are that way. Okay. Pack it in, pack it out. Please pack out all your trash. Welcome to our tobacco-free preserve. That's not cool for the tobacco smokers, but at the same time, that's a good thing for the preserve. El Camino Viejo bike trail. I'm gonna go over here. Kind of looks like some Spanish place. A Spanish looking place. It'd be freaking crazy if all of a sudden I find myself in the presence of a bear. The good thing is that I brought some protection against bears. But only for protection. That's it. I'm pretty sure there's been bears in this area. What the hell is that? Oh, it's an area close to restoration, but down there might be some cool looking place. Let's see what the restrooms look like. That's a cool area over there to chill. Cool thing is that you can camp out here in the preserves. I'm gonna go in the men's restroom. You guys are a man. And they have a wooden door, maybe to keep the snakes out. It smells like rabbit in here. It's not bad. Pretty clean compared to, you know, the average restroom in some parts of the world.